So welcome to this new video. I hope the wind is not too bad, but I think this week I tried to make a weekly video because the day in the life video did so well. I think if I make a weekly, the views should be at least 7 times more than a day in the life. So today is Monday morning. Milking is done already. My dad is taking care of the feeding and we will put those heifers in this field. First we are going to make a temporary fence and then we put them over. Let's check if the fence is electrified. Let's see. Can you see? Four lights, so that's good. Then we can give them the new paddock. Keep to the left, I think. They did. Take them with me. Aye. Push! Come on! Push me out of here! Right, let's see. The stuff you have to do to get some views. Waiting on the tractor. So it's Tuesday morning, it's nice weather, and we're getting ready to mow the field where the cows were grazing last week. So let's get the mower hooked up and then we go. So let's check on the heifers while we're here. They seem very satisfied. And let's continue with this. So this afternoon I had to do some other stuff. I had to have a haircut and look at the job for the excavator. And of course milking. But now it's 8 o'clock and I'm going to finish this. It's a nice evening. So done. Still a bit of daylight left, not much. I found some Jacob's kruiskruid. I will look up the English word in this field. It's toxic for the cows. They don't eat it in the field, but if we put it in the silage, then they can eat it and it can kill them. So we throw it away. It grows over there by the highway. And then it spreads into the fields. So Wednesday morning, milking done. My dad does the feeding again. I think I do some raking. First, let's get rid of the mower. rest I do this afternoon. Last night the calf was born. It needs a little milk, but I wanted to show you this machine we bought new in 2000, so it's over 20 years old. It had some minor repairs, but it never let us down. Very good machine. Ready for bales. I don't think it's cow food, but we make a few bales and then we compost it. So while we're here, I'll check again on the heifers. I wanted to collect some bales, but I think we get a new calf tonight and all the bins are full, so we bought a few new ones, but I still have to put it together, so I think it's sensible to do it now. Two ready. Tonight we had two calves, so we used both of them already. It was a minute too soon. Thursday morning, let's get the bales home. Pumping the last bit of slurry. Meanwhile, I can get more sand out of there, because you have to keep an eye on the hoses. If something goes wrong, it's a terrible mess. So it's Friday. Not a lot going on. Cleaned my car this morning and brought it to the dealer, and cleaned a little bit around the farm. Just small stuff, nothing exciting. So never say it's a dull day, because meanwhile it's 9:30. I fixed the steel cable, as you can see in the video. I put the info card over here, and I still have to get some food for the cows. Saturday morning, milking is done. Doing some feeding. My parents are away this weekend, so I also have to do the feeding. Clean the leftover food. Have to remove more sand from this heap. Stuff like that. Not very interesting. Saturday night, YouTube editing night. This is last week's video. So, and then there's Sunday. On Sunday we normally only do milking and feeding. 1 week my parents do the work on Sunday, and the other week I do the work on Sunday with my wife. So one of us is free. I don't know if you can see the dog. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up. Subscribe if you didn't do that already, and I hope I see you on the next one. Bye.